So the one I ordered on Amazon, it's this one. It comes in this nice little bag. And here you go. You got a variety of ones. So we're gonna test this out on my lower ball joint, which I still need to put the snap ring. But like I said, I was having issues. So we're gonna go grab this snap ring right now to test it out. I'm also gonna be replacing my upper control arm as well. Here we go. So like I said, here's the snap ring, so I just gotta find the right one. So here's the snap ring. So I think I'm gonna use this bad boy right here. Kind of hard to do with one hand, so let's see. So you have to just open it up a little bit. There we go, right there. And I got that on there pretty good. So hopefully shit don't go flying out. As you can see, I got it squeezed and it fits right over there. Go in there. Got it over in one spot. There we go. I just had to push down a little bit. As you can see, it's almost in there. Just gotta tap it down real quick. There we go. And we are in. Sweet. Let's see. Yep. Yep. Just make sure it's always what I like to do is always. Yep. See, it moves. Yep, it's in. And said these bad boys right here must have.